This is a 2017 Princess 43, but she's nearly 47 feet. Why do they call it a 43? Well, I'll show you. Okay, so this boat is shaft drive, and it's got the twin Cummins 550 horsepower diesels, which push the boat up to about 30 knots. But the interesting thing about this boat, apart from the fact that it's 47 feet and it's called a 43, is that it's got so many extras. And one of the extras it's got is so unusual that I'm going to have to go into the engine bay to show you, which is a right palaver, if you know what I mean. So let's go and have a look. Okay, right. This boat has got a Seakeeper 5. Now, most of you won't know what a Seakeeper is, and I don't really know what it is, but I'm going to tell you a bit about what I know. In this little box is a very expensive ball bearing, and it spins around at, I think, 60,000 RPM, and it's in a really big ball. It's got a little ball in a big ball, and it spins, and it stops the boat rocking. Now, you can read more about it if you want, but that's the general gist. It's about £50,000. It's about £50,000, and it's very unusual to have it on a boat this size, but it stops your gin and tonic spilling out your glass. Okay, so this is the saloon on the Princess 43, and as you can see, it's really spacious and really light. Lots of sofas, lots of glass, but it's got lots of storage too. You've got the galley, which is kind of a mid galley with all the normal features like fridge, hob, oven, etc. You've got nice little cupboards here for loads of storage. You've got nice worktops. You've got some nice hand cleaner. And it's got a little secret cubby hole under here with an LG washer dryer. Now you know you have made it when you've got a washer dryer on your boat. So this is the dashboard, which has got all the normal stuff like thrusters and controls and what have you. But the bit I want to show you is the Seakeeper screen. And there's the thing I was telling you about. It's like a ball with a wheel in it. Well, actually I said it was a ball with a ball. But that controls the Seakeeper. So you go on, off. And it takes about 45 minutes to power up. Really clear dashboard, nice and dark, so no reflection. And you've got a shout window here, which I'll demonstrate. Oh, that's so nice, that air. Hey! See? Works beautifully. So this is the master cabin because it hasn't got enough room for a mid-master. So if you come and have a look, you've got this lovely bed here, this huge, what are you doing? Window here. And you've got this lovely wardrobe here. And you've got a TV as well. Everything's included. So, this is the shower. My brothers have told me to stop doing toilet jokes, so I'm moving on to showers. But look, I'm 6'1" and overweight, and look at the size of this shower. Now, this boat has got so many doors. This is apparently called a Jack and Jill door. That goes to that cabin. So if you have a look there, and then round this way, got another door here. So you can see you've got Jack and Jill access to the day heads. It's a lovely bathroom, and it's got these lovely sinks, which I love. So this boat is for sale with Princess Motor Yacht Sales, our partners in Swanick, and she's up for 650,000, and she's only done 296 hours. At the time of filming, there's 1 or 2 people close to buying her, so by the time you see this, she's probably sold. But she is lovely. You've got this nice bimini. You've got this lovely view. You've got this lovely barbecue. And I can't think of anything else that rhymes with those two, but it's beautiful. You've got a big Raymarine scanner, so you can hit your head. But actually it makes you see in the dark. No, it doesn't, in the fog. And this lovely helm. Look at this helm. Beautiful touchscreen Raymarine, bow and stern thrusters. It's got all the gizmos. I don't think you've got a Seakeeper control. No, that's only downstairs. You've also got sun cushions on the bow, if you have just a little peek there. And that's our V50 in the background, by the way, there. That's nice, isn't it? And it's just a nice space. I think one thing I would add to this boat, because it's got everything else, I would add a teak floor, because I think that would just be a nice little addition. But to be fair, that's easy to retrofit, and I think it would be pretty easy to fit, full stop, and a good thing to have. So yeah, it's really, really nice. By the way, the teak would cost about £5,000 extra to put that down. In summary, this boat is a great all-rounder, and it's shaft drive. It's got all the bells and whistles, 650,000. I think Princess got so excited designing it and putting all the things they wanted in that the boat grew from a 43 to a 47. So when you pay Princess 43 money, you're actually getting a 47-foot boat. I know I'm not joking, it is nearly 47 feet. But they haven't compromised on anything. Now, while I'm sat here, and you can see the view behind me, we're at the British Motor Yacht Show filming, doing these boats today. And I think it's just important to remember why boating is so popular. I mean, just look at that weather out there today. And Jake, my cameraman who's filming me today, he said, you know, why is boating so attractive? Why do people like it? And I think one of the reasons why people like it is just because of this. What better thing could you be doing today than sitting out here in the shade or the sun, having a drink with your family and relaxing? Enough said. Let's do it again.